This is my 2024 Ducati Panigale V4, and today I'm going to be surprising my friend Brian with it because he hasn't seen this bike yet. God, this thing is so violent. I told myself all winter I would wait until the very late spring to take this bike out because this bike is scary. I mean, you could just feel the power coming from this bike. It is quite something. And this bike only has 50 miles on it, so you can still see a lot of the factory oils that have been sitting on this bike all winter, burning off a little bit there. Not to worry, we're gonna be fine.
Damn right, that's the bike you're bringing.
Oh, buddy. Good to see you.
I thought I heard something.
I'm not keeping it out though. I'm going right back to my house to grab the other bike. But
what the hell is that?
it was not the supermoto, I'll tell you that.
That sounds completely different, man. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Been a while.
Yeah. Wow, does that sound weird?
Brooklyn PD damn near paid for this one too.
You gotta really thank him. I say he got you 2 brand new bikes almost. Nice. Yeah, isn't that something how you could smell that?
Oh yeah, it was smoking.
This thing, nothing.
Huh?
How many miles?
I should be up to 70 now.
Oh jeez.
About 80,
70,
85.
80. Oh fuck, you don't even have 100 miles on it yet.
No sir.
I like that red.
I was still ripping on the way here though.
I heard it, dude. I was like, that doesn't sound like a supermoto.
I was like, what the fuck is that? I could hear you from coming from down the street. It's so crazy sounding.
Yeah,
I got the news.
It's even different than that.
Yeah,
the way that
so it's like
sounds.
the same platform. It's basically the same engine, but I forget what's different.
Ducati just built it differently. They took that motor and changed a bunch of shit to do its own thing.
It
But
does definitely sounds different. That's for sure.
oh yeah, I mean, here.
How does it? Yeah, that's
It's a little bit more like punchy.
that is great. That is insane, dude. Does it get hot quick?
Huh?
Does it get hot quick?
Oh yeah, feel it right here.
I could feel the heat
You have
coming
no
off. of it.
idea.
Yeah, it's crazy how hot these fucking things get.
That thing's even hot. I rode Christian's, who has the same. He has a V4 too, and it was like 50 out, and in between your legs, it feels like a fire.
I took off the covers too, so it gets even hotter.
Heat out of there. Yeah.
But you can see the motor, which is kind of cool.
Right. How is it for you riding? Because your height.
Is
it like compared to your BMW?
This
Compared to
is
your Yamaha? How was it?
this is way more powerful than anything I've ever ridden.
No, I mean riding wise.
Oh,
Like, how does it? Is it any more uncomfortable compared to the other two?
it's the most uncomfortable bike I think I've ever owned.
Okay.
I thought the R1 was pretty nice. The S1000, everyone says it's comfortable. I thought the S1000 was worse than the R1.
Really?
And then this is just like,
Yeah, you're forced.
yeah, no, it's
Oh no, I can imagine the power difference has got to be. What is this thing right at? 2 something too?
well with the exhaust about 225, 230.
Okay. Yeah, look how they did that.
Salt, bro. There's no salt in the road, but it's on the shoulder.
Clippings in the road. I had to lay her down.
Not the clippings, it's the fucking corrosion. I don't like it.
Corrosion.
Although Ducatis don't really rust, I don't know. Is this the... Yeah, we turn here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, half of our bike is titanium anyway.
Titanium will corrode, it doesn't rust.
My entire motor is fucking titanium.
Yeah, the insides.
The parts that matter.
This is true. I don't know, I sell my bikes after like a year anyway. I don't know why I'm tripping.
Tripping, blood.
It's like, it's my minor OCD. I can't help it. Like, whenever I see salt, I'm like, something just goes up in my head. Like, don't take your nice things out in it. You know what I'm saying?
I totally agree. I didn't even want to take this out. I wanted to take out the RS4.
Why didn't you?
I don't trust the front tire.
Oh yeah, the front. I was gonna say the V4 would be better because of the cold. It's like a little chilly. The heat from the motor helps.
I got 7,000 original miles on that fucking front tire.
Yeah, that's insane. Well, I mean, it was on one wheel for the majority of the time anyway.
State trooper, what the fuck?
I barely even tapped my brakes for him. I'm like, why?
Nah,
I
don't even know how much gas I have. All I know is the light is not on. So,
Right.
Dude, I have not gotten to ride this thing with a good tire on it.
I just filled up, so I'm not going to because I'm just going straight back to my house. That poor thing has been abused.
I didn't. It's a really bad habit, but at the end of the season, I didn't clean either of my bikes.
Why? That's like sacrilegious, bro. You're not supposed to do that.
I don't know. I think I'm just a bad person. Oh, dude, this is not good, man. Oh my god, dude, how long are these gonna take to break in?
What, the gloves?
Yeah.
You gotta get them sweaty.
Oh, dude. Oh, it feels amazing right now.
Oh yeah, it was a little chilly when I left my house, but right now it's
Like, I cannot believe how good it feels.
I told you it was gonna be warm out today.
The sun being out helps a lot. All right, dude. The button pocket, side pocket is fucking sweet.
Motorcycle pants, man. They help out. He's sending me a new pair of pants too. I haven't
I don't know what they are yet. I don't know if they're like released, but
What is he like? He made a better version?
yeah. I don't know if they're better. I think it's just like a different look. Like they don't have like the little stretchy piece there.
The only thing that feels weird is around the knee.
Well, because you don't have the knee pads in.
Yeah, I think that's why.
They're probably a little scrunched up.
I ain't want that. All right, let's see. First fill up of the season. Let's see.
Yeah, she really could use a good wash, bro.
Dude, look at this. Oh my god.
What?
The more I look at it, the more shit I see on it.
It's the white, bro. It does not hide the...
Dude, are you kidding me? I had this much gas in here? All I had was dude, I had 3 gallons in here.
You got all those little, like, sticky things or, like, things on your tire.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna try to burn them off.
Yeah, I would. It looks a little sketchy.
You think it would be a bad idea to get it back up on the wheel?
What do you mean?
Pop the front end up?
For me?
No, for me, because
Oh.
it's a new tire.
No, yeah, you'd be fine. If anything, you got more grip.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Fresh tire has more grip than what most people think. I don't know why everyone thinks they have to break in the tire.
Yeah, it's just a good idea, probably. Flippins in the road. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I saw fucking when I went to State 8 on, what was that? Friday or Saturday? Friday. I ran into Owen.
No way.
He's dropping his fucking whatever off for the
Z.
All right.
I'm following you because I don't... No
Yeah.
point in me taking the lead because I'm just going slow. I don't want to bore you. Alright, now we just gotta wait here for a fucking century.
Fucking rush hour, huh?
Yeah,
It's fucking 2 o'clock. We got rush hour traffic.
2:30.
That's what I'm saying. We stick to the metros, bro. We'd be alright.
Oh, this bike wants to kill itself in the metros.
Oh, you'll be fine. You're in inline 4, bro. I don't want to hear it.
The RSV4 like jumps and like fucking, you know how it is, does stupid shit.
yeah, I know. I'm on a V4 right now, bro. I know exactly what you're talking about. This shit sucks.
Oh, that's a V4?
This?
Oh wow.
Yes. You didn't know that?
No, I just found out just now.
Shut the fuck up. Mike, bro, you were just talking about it. What the fuck?
Alright, I'm just fucking with you.
Sitting here talking about, oh yeah, V4, you jumps around in traffic. Meanwhile, I know.
I know,
I'm in
brother.
fucking low, like a street mode, and it's still like,
Dude, this thing just wants to go right now.
I will say, like, this bike is like the least Ducati feeling Ducati.
Really? All the other ones kind of feel similar?
Yeah, because they're all like V-twins. Even like the new Supermoto feels like a V-twin.
How'd the V2 feel in comparison?
Oh, like they don't even feel like the same company. Like this is such a good, different
Really?
experience. Yeah, the V2 it's nice, but it does not feel too good. Like
Fuck, dude.
comparison
fuck
to
the
other
V2. How quick even is that bike?
the V2,
Yeah.
it's like it's in between a 600 and a 1000. It's like 150 horsepower.
Okay.
It's kind of in its own little niche.
The black one they made, I will say, looks pretty good.
I like it more in photos than I like in person, which is usually opposite how I feel about bikes. But
You've seen it at Ducati?
yeah, they have a few. They've sell so many V2s. It's crazy.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I don't understand what the thing about them is. People love them.
Popo,
Now, my cops are pretty chill.
your cups.
Yeah, around these parts. Around these parts, brother. And I'm back in Chicago.
The little gold on your brake calipers are so fucking sick.
Sorry, what? What are you talking about?
The gold on your the brake calipers, or what do you call them, the brake?
Oh, yeah.
Rotor?
I looked, dude, that is expensive as fuck. I remember I looked.
I forget where I was looking, and I don't know what the special thing about that is.
Magnesium.
No, I'm gonna look it up when we get to your house.
You have to know.
Hell yeah, 5 foot right into another red light. That's what I'm talking about.
I love riding in traffic.
Traffic.
In traffic, yeah. No, I don't. I love riding car to car traffic. Stoplight to stoplight. That's what I was thinking of. I can't
Stoplight
fucking
to
speak.
stoplight on the worst bike to be on. That.
I was gonna say, bro. Hey.
My finger, my gloves, I can't break them in.
Oh,
It's just too small.
are
I
we
can't
wearing?
break it in.
Are these the same? Oh, they're like the same type of glove. You just have carbon fiber on yours.
Them bitches definitely know you, brother.
Ooh,
Bitches in the car kept looking at you.
where?
That's the shitty car to your left.
Ain't fuck. I didn't even
Oh,
notice.
dude, where's the Pista at?
Oh, the Pista. I'm gonna go get it. This is just the helmet that has the helmet cam on it. The Pista is for
Yeah,
the
I want to see
360.
the Pista.
Oh yeah, you gonna see the Pista. I gotta test something out. Today.
Oh,
You gonna see the pista, buddy.
I'm a C, brother.
Did you know, like, while we were riding, we had like people taking videos of it, and they sent it to me in an email.
What, the pista?
No, like while me, Kenny, and Pat were out riding, someone took a video of us and sent it to us in the email.
That's so random.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah, that's so funny though.
It was dope, but it was definitely weird, like a weird moment.
Email is definitely a bit odd.
Yeah, it was like, huh.
Email is definitely a bit odd.
Could just send it to my DMs, bro.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, email, what the fuck?
Yeah, it was fucking bizarre. Do you hear the fan in this thing? Like,
Yeah, I actually can hear it.
it's so loud, blowing hot air on me.
What heat bar are you at?
I'm at 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5.